Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get a new super magic mail in Grow a Garden 2. So, so this is a new gear that will let you to send one item for the fall harvest map back to your Garden Valley mailbox, the main garden in Grow a Garden 2. So, since the fall harvest map is not permanent, this can be extremely useful for saving important items before the event ends. And the super magic meal has a super rarity. This one, you can buy it at the gear shops. This one, you can see it. And it can be used to send items with super rarity or lower back to your main garden folly. So if you get a valuable pet or seed, gear or pop from fall harvest, you can use the super mail to move it safely to your main garden. And the price is 100 millions. And just remember, one super magic mail can only send one item, so make sure you buy enough if you have multiple valuable items to save. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.